There are plenty of simple ways you can be the change when it comes to restoring our Earth. Reduce meat consumption. Cattle, sheep, and livestock have an enormous carbon footprint. By switching towards a plant-based diet, we can reduce methane emissions and use global farmland more efficiently. Buy wisely. It may not seem like it, but your shopping habits are a political act. When you have the choice, it's better to buy food that is local and in season, avoid items with excessive packaging, and consider if what you are purchasing may have an impact on deforestation and endangered species. Plogging. The word plogging is the activity of picking up litter while jogging. The name comes from Sweden, but the act of combining sports with caring for your environment is something we can do worldwide. Recycle. Take that extra step to wash out plastic and glass containers and cans. Instead of trashing them, recycle. Save water. Shorter showers save water and the energy it takes to heat that water. It may not seem like much if you cut down gradually, but by the end of the year, the total amount of energy and water saved is huge. Relish daylight hours. If you can, get up earlier and make good use of daylight hours. When you're in bed earlier, you'll need less lighting, and overall, you save on energy consumption. Take a moment to reflect on what steps you can take to restore our Earth.